we are tackling the microwave. I'm going to show you step by step how we are cleaning this microwave, going from this to this. First things first, let's get everything out of the microwave. And all you're gonna need today, guys, is just soap and water. So let's get that and let's get to it. So please clean along with me. Microwaves sometimes can get really dirty, am I right? Especially if you don't use a plate cover in the microwave. So depending on the shape that your microwave is in, if it's really dirty, then you might want to apply the soap and water all over, let it soak for a little bit, maybe a few minutes, maybe longer, depending on how much scrubbing you might need to do. But I feel like the shape of this is not too bad, so I'm just gonna start scrubbing right away. And we're scrubbing everything from the door to these corners to tops and bottoms, everything. Let's get to it. You, but for me, I like to use a sponge to scrub dishes, so that's what I'm using here for the microwave. But if you use something else like a cloth or something else, then go ahead and just use that. I'm just using a sponge because that's what I like to use. It keeps the soap in there well, it washes out quickly, and it's good for scrubbing tough to clean or scrub areas, so it's perfect for this microwave. I'm even using it on the door, on the outside. And remember, you know, with COVID and everything, the surface of the microwave can get really dirty and we don't want to transmit those bacteria, so clean everything, the top. Don't forget the bottom of the microwave. Let's get all of that cleaned. And once you've applied the soap everywhere, you've scrubbed everything down, you're just going to need to rinse it down with just plain old water. So that's what I'm doing here, still using the sponge and just wiping the soap off. So you might need to do that a few times. You can substitute the water, but I'm just doing that right now. As you can see, my water is starting to get dirty, so I will replace it and then just keep doing this until all of the soap has come off. So I'm just going to jump in here real quick just to say thank you so much to everyone who has liked my videos and subscribed and commented. This means a lot to me, you guys. I am a new YouTuber and I want my channel to get to people who maybe are not motivated to clean or decorate or feel they don't have experience or talent to do so. So I really want to thank you, because the more people like or subscribe or view, the more likely YouTube is to recommend my channel to other people. So I really just want to say thank you so much. And if you haven't yet, I would really appreciate your subscription. Thank you so much. I'm going to take a clean rag, wet it, and use it again to wipe down everything, just like another round of, not rinsing, but just wiping down, right? Just wiping everything off. In case of fingerprints, in case of anything that's lingering, we get all of that off with this wet rag. And don't feel like you have to keep using it with the first round of water. You can go rinse it out again and do it as many times as necessary. Finally, I go ahead and wash all of the things that we took out of the microwave at the beginning, all of the parts and the plate cover as well. Check it out, guys. Doesn't this microwave look amazing? Like, all I used was soap and water, and it's looking really, really, really good already. Nice and clean. Yay! Now you could stop here. Your microwave is pretty clean and in good condition, but I like to go one step more. I use this shining spray to wipe down the outside of the microwave. It's made for stainless steel appliances. I use it on all of mine and I love it. It is amazing. I'll put a link down to it. You can get it from Amazon or any other store. I'll put a link down to it below. But check out how clean it makes the surface, guys. And all you need is paper towel to apply. And of course, you can just spray it directly onto a paper towel and wipe down that way. I like to spray it straight on, but if you have dishes and other things around you don't want to get it on, that's fine. Just use a paper towel, spray it on it, and boom, you're done. And that's it. Look at this clean microwave, guys. Isn't that amazing? And can you see my reflection over here? Hi guys, it's so clean, yay! And that's it, you guys. Thank you so much for watching the video till the end. If you haven't already, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye.